Good afternoon, dear viewers, investors, partners, and everyone diligently following the LLC Sovelmash project. As always, we are here at our dedicated DETB premises, and today, work is continuing at a truly full, vigorous, and highly productive speed. At the same time, all essential processes related to the State Commission's official acceptance are actively underway. We are also in the process of receiving new and essential equipment. And now, in particular, you can clearly see here the robust presses that will soon be sent to the foundry. We have two distinct units, 1 and 2. They possess different operational power and varying production capacities. Alongside them, positioned right here, there was a specialized machine that we specifically need for the precise cutting of packaging materials. This is the packaging that is used when, well, everyone has encountered it in some way, right? Either you bought a new TV or a computer, and there you have that kind of foamed packaging. So now, we too will be able to package our products very neatly and with high quality. Right now, it is currently being carefully moved to its proper and designated place. You will definitely see this, by the way, very soon. Next, we have just received several equally important and crucial items, specifically a number of drying cabinets. They are certainly not standing here by pure accident. This is, let's say, precisely the intended place they were originally designed for. Perhaps things will slightly shift around here a little bit, but overall, they are directly and intrinsically related to the essential varnish impregnation unit. So just to remind you, a whole row, or a batch, if you will, of motors that actually need to be fully impregnated is then loaded in here. After that, these items are carefully placed into specialized cabinets. The applied varnish then dries to its required and optimal state. Polymerization subsequently takes place, and accordingly, at the output, we have finished products, which are then processed further as needed. Now, let's also take a quick look, not straying too far from the main area, so to speak. In this workshop, we have another piece of large caliber equipment. We've already shown it to you before. Specifically, this is a cold heading machine. At this particular stage, the machine is already fully connected, and all the necessary engineering utilities have been successfully installed. The metal rod feeder has already been completely set up. It's already been fed into the hopper. Everything here has already been carefully adjusted and precisely set, and when you press the button, the robust rod is then smoothly and consistently fed into the designated working area. Next, here we can clearly see the conveyor system, which is already fully installed, from which the completed finished products efficiently come out, and here we can observe what we'll refer to as the main work table. In short, this is a grand structure, and everything is covered in oil because that's exactly how it's supposed to be. This is a cold forging press. The impacts here are intense, and you can't do without a large amount of oil. All of this starts to come out during operation. The noise is tremendous. And accordingly, all these powerful and robust structures perform their essential function. And at the output, we ultimately get precisely machined shafts for various engines. Only one crucial operation needs to be performed on them to accurately machine the seats for the bearings and so on. And in this particular case, comprehensive commissioning work is currently being carried out. The machine is being meticulously set up and carefully brought to optimal operating conditions. It's already running, it's already producing certain results, but precise adjustment is still necessary. That's exactly what the specialists are working on. And in fact, besides this particular endeavor, other important work is also currently underway. Work is also being carried out in the laboratory. Engines with a 30mm stack are being tested. Built-in engines of size 90 are being used. So there is a lot of work. We are working with commissions, working with technology. We are working with engineering communications that are necessary for the machines, and also with technological equipment. That's all for today. This update is quite brief. I think you'll watch the behind-the-scenes footage, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Let me remind you, we are on the home stretch. So right now, at this very moment, as they often say, we truly need your valuable support more than ever before. Please be sure to actively leave your thoughtful comments, diligently write to us with your feedback, enthusiastically ask any questions you may have, and consistently like our videos across all social media platforms, because it is precisely these crucial actions, among many others, that represent a very significant and appreciated form of continuous support. The more people learn about our project, the better it is for all of us. Thank you for your attention, your support, and your trust. See you next time.